যদি লক্ষ্য থাকে অটুট বিশ্বাস হৃদয়ে, হবেই দেখা, দেখা হবে বিজয়ে। বিদ্যালয় মোদের বিদ্যালয়, বিদ্যালয় মোদের বিদ্যালয়, এখানে সভ্যতারই ফুল ফোটানো হয়, এখানে সভ্যতারই ফুল ফোটানো হয়।
Dear friend, thank you very much for coming this meeting. Today we are discussing about our problem in English. We are suffering different kind of problem, such as we are not clear about the adjective, synonym and antonym. We don't know about the meaning of some word. On the other hand, we don't know which is the suffix prefix of various kind of word. We don't know how to speak English easily. It is a great problem for us. We want to overcome this problem. So today we have arranged a discussion to overcome this problem. Please give your opinion how to overcome this problem.
Thank you very much. We can take a technique. The technique is we can make an adjective by using the first letter of our name. For example, I am Supriya. Here the first letter is S. So I can make an adjective by using S, like successful.
Thank you for your good advice. Here we can also learn the antonym and synonym with the help of these adjectives. Thank you, Oksana, for your suggestion. Friends, I want to speak something. We have a great problem in suffix or prefix, so we develop in it. We can make a new words by adding suffix or prefix.
Thank you, Anindita, for your suggestion. So, this technique we also practice in speaking.
Thank you so much for your good information. Here we practice also learning.
Dear friend, thank you very much for this fruitful discussion. From today, we will continue this process. Thank you all for participating this meeting.
After a fruitful discussion, the learners find out their needs and demands. According to their needs and demands, we start our activities. This is a daily activities. Learners responsibilities science group 1,
Fulfill Faria.
2,
Attention Aksana.
3,
Friendly Bhajana.
4,
Successful Supriya.
5,
Mindful Maliha.
6,
Kind Khadija.
8,
Responsible Learning.
10,
Sweet Sumaya.
11.
Memorable Maisha.
Business studies 1,
Sweet Saria.
2,
Yes, Julia.
3,
Mindful Megha.
5,
Joyful Vilata.
6,
Smart City.
7,
Happy Habiba.
11,
Mindful Tea.
12,
Fruitful Kashmir.
14.
Mindful Moina.
Humanities 1,
Lovely Lucky.
2,
Smile China.
4,
Light Dear Dear.
5,
Responsible Deepa.
6,
Gentle Gita.
9,
Fruitful Tony.
10,
Beautiful Borna.
11,
Active Aisha.
12,
Active Orindita.
14,
Successful Samia.
15,
Respectfully Rabia.
16,
Mindful Meherun.
17.
What is the synonym of mindful?
Wasteful,
What is the antonym of mindful?
unmindful.
Make a sentence.
I am very much mindful to do my classwork. What is the synonym of responsible?
Nivel.
What is the antonym of responsible?
Irresponsible.
Make sentence.
I am very much responsible to my homework.
Hello Rabia, you say respectful. What is the basic word respectful?
Here basic word is respect. I can add suffix full. That it's called respectful. Can you add anything suffix or prefix?
Yes, I add prefix and it is disrespectful.
Thank you.
What is the synonym of lucky? Fortunate. What is the antonym of lucky? Unlucky. Please make a sentence.
I am very lucky girl in the world. What is the synonym of active?
Live.
What is the antonym of active?
Inactive.
Please make a sentence.
I am an active girl in my class.
Hello Shrutia, you say successful. What is the basic word?
Here basic word is success. I can add suffix full. It is successful. It is an adjective. Reni, can you add any suffix or prefix?
Yes, I can add prefix and it's then the word unsuccessful.
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome.
Currently, I have noticed some change in my little sister. She's trying to speak English with me and my family. So I asked her why she's doing it. She told me that her teacher has suggested her to speak English with everyone of her family. So she is trying to speak English with everyone else. It is a very good sign. I think the community English is very impressive.
Dear colleagues, I am very much successful to use these techniques. This is a regular activities. Through these activities, the class is very interesting, the class is very interactive, and the learning will be more sustainable. I think if you follow this technique, you will also be successful. As it is a regular activities, learner can be able to learning by doing, learning by practicing. After 1 week or 2 weeks, you will advise your learners to seize their activities and act according like that. Thank you very much. See you again with another new innovation.
যদি লক্ষ্য থাকে অটুট বিশ্বাস হৃদয়ে হবেই দেখা হবে বিজয়ে।